in my XLorate. And we'll just go here, and here it is. So I'm just going to go like this and copy it. Go to our, you can't see, and that's it. There it is. So let's time the code. I'm going to paste a little loop here. Okay, and it's just going to loop to our Excel program. And we're going to test the timer. Okay. I actually forgot to put the code in here. Do stuff. Here we go. Now we'll make it small. Here we are. It took 2.25 seconds. Now, just out of curiosity, let's just clear this again. And let's put a screen updating on it. Updating equals false. Now let's try it. It took 1.8 seconds. So it is faster used in screen updating. But that's how you use the code. I will have a link to the code in the descriptions.